it's me again, IMEE Marquez, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's DIY is we're going to transform this oversized men's shirt right here into an bodycon dress. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Ang gagamitin nating oversized shirt ngayon ay Calvin Klein XXL. So, una natin gagawin is tanggalin natin yung sleeves and the botones. So, as you can see, natanggal na natin siya. So, ang second is we're going to separate the front and back bodies of the shirt. By ikakat natin dyan, tatanggalin natin yung sa may collar niya. Okay? And for the next step, guys, is we're now going to mark our measurements. So by making a straight line first, and then we're going to mark our bust measurements plus the seam allowance. Mine is 8 inches. So plus 1 inch, so 9 siya. Dun ka magi-start mag-count. Wag mong isasali dun sa may zipper allowance niya, guys, ha? And then we're going to downwards, we're going to measure 10 inches for the upper bust measurements down to your waistline. So from the waistline up there, we're going to measure 1/4 of your waistline plus seam allowance 1 inch. Okay? And then after ulit nun is we're going to downwards, we're going to measure downwards your waistline to your hips. 10 inches then, guys. Okay? And then after marking 10 inches, we're going to measure again your hip circumference, which is 1/4 of your hips plus 1 inch allowance. And then we're going to connect the marks with a straight line first, and we're going to mark it curved line later. Okay? And for the front bodies naman, guys, is ilayout lang natin yung back bodies doon. Ipipin natin yung sa may zipper part niya, ha, dun sa zipper allowance niya. Okay? And then for the sewing steps, guys, is we're going to double hem all the sides para ma-hide yung cuttings niya, okay? By a centimeter wide lang siya, okay? And nandito na tayo sa pinakamahirap na part niya, which is yung pagkakabit ng zipper. Okay, nahirapan ako dito kanina. So, after that, i-measure muna natin gaano kalaki yung ating zipper. I-mark natin siya ng ganon. And then, iso-sew natin siya pababa. Okay? And then, after man, is ipipin na natin yung zipper natin para hindi nagwawala yung zipper natin. I mean, hindi makulit pag tinatahin natin. So, dapat yung pagtahin natin doon is away doon sa may teeth ng zipper. Kasi ako kanina, tingnan nyo, hindi siya professional yung pagkakabit ng zipper ko. So, and then after na is we're now going to connect the sides of our front and back bodies of the dress. So, you are going to see kung anong itsura pag tube lang siya. Ipapakita ko. So, ganito, guys, ang itsura niya pag tube lang siya, tube bodycon dress lang siya. Pwede niyong lagyan ng straps, ganun. Kung ayaw nyo ng sleeves, kung ayaw nyo may sleeves, lagyan nyo siya ng straps or anything else. If you want tube lang. And then if gusto nyo may sleeves, so this is the steps for the sleeves. We're going to cut your desired length dun sa my sleeves, and then after nun, tatahiin lang natin siya ng double hem dun sa may mga cuttings. And after natin siyang i-double hem, guys, is we're now going to shearing. So dun sa pag-shear natin is kailangan maglagay tayo ng space para dun sa pagkakabitan natin. 2 inches, tig to 2 inches yung ginawa kong space, and then we're going to use elastic thread sa pag-shear. So after natin mag-shear, so dun sa pag-shear ko is 4 na lines yung ginawa ko. 4 lines and a centimeter away from each other. Okay. So guys, same steps lang yung ginawa ko dun sa may bottom part ng sleeves. Ngunit wala siyang space na, wala na siyang space. Dire-diretso na siyang sheer part. Okay? And then after nun is ikakabit na natin siya dun sa may tube. Kahit wala siyang armhole dun sa may tube natin is okay lang. Okay lang, guys. Ikabit lang natin yan. And that's all for the final step, guys. We're now going to see the final transformation.